Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the unknown device so you know what to fix. Open Device Manager using Win+X and click Device Manager. Locate the entry with the yellow icon labeled Unknown or Other Devices. Once found, right-click and choose Properties, then the Details tab. From the Property drop-down, select Hardware IDs. Note the VEN and DEV values. This gives the device identifier so you can match drivers. Make sure to copy the exact string. It's the key to the next steps. With the hardware IDs at hand, search for the exact VEN and DEV string to find the correct driver. Start with Windows Update. Often Microsoft supplies a matching driver automatically. If that fails, go to the device or PC maker's support site and download the official driver package for Windows 10. Once downloaded, return to Device Manager, right-click the device, select Update Driver, then browse My Computer and point to the downloaded folder. This installs the proper drivers and registers the device with Windows. Finish by restarting the PC so Windows can complete driver registration and re-enumerate hardware. If the device still shows as unknown, open Device Manager, uninstall the device, check Delete Driver Software if present, then use Action Right Arrow Scan for hardware changes to force detection. If problems persist, try installing a generic driver or boot into safe mode to install the driver without conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: test the hardware IDs, search with alternate driver versions, and double-check chipset updates for the motherboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.